Hi guys, can I share Bible verse today? In Second Chronicles chapter 7 verse 14 explain, if my people which are called my name shall humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their weak ways, then will I hear from heaven and will forgive their sin and will heal their land. This verse is often interpreted as a call to national repentance and a reminder of God's willingness to restore those who turn back to Him. Part of being a Christian is humbling ourselves and realizing that without God, our lives truly mean nothing. We are to acknowledge that we have made a conscious choice to turn away from the bad deeds and sinful habits, and we have turned to the holy life God has presented before us. If my people who are called by my name, this refers to those who are part of God's covenant community, those who have been set apart for Him, will humble themselves. Humility involves recognizing one's dependence on God and acknowledging one's sinfulness and pray. Prayer is a way for God's people to communicate with Him and seek His guidance and seek my face. Seeking God's face means desiring His presence and favor, not just His blessings, and turn from their weak ways. This is the act of repentance, turning away from sin and back to God. Then I will hear from heaven and will forgive their sin and will heal their land, and promises to respond to this repentance with forgiveness and restoration. This verse is not just a historical account. It's often seen as a timeless principle applicable to God's people throughout history. Many interpret it as a call to Christians today live in humility, prayer, and repentance, believing that God will respond with His grace and favor. Gracious God, you are so good to us, so willing to forgive us when we stray and search for us so that you might bring us back into your presence. Thank you for never forgetting us and loving us, no matter